How to log in TLauncher account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know ways to log in TLauncher account. To log in into your TLauncher account, you'll have to create your account first of all. Only then you'll be able to log in. So first of all, open up a browser and on the web address bar, you want to type in www.tlauncher.org/en/reg/. When you type in the official information, you'll be taken to their official page as well. So this way you'll be able to see it. So you could see in the left hand side bar, you could either go ahead and register. So type in your email address and create a password as well. So first thing you could, in order to log in, you have to go ahead and type in your information. So it could be your email address or a phone number and type in your password associated with that and click on the sign in button. Once you do it so, you'll be able to log into your account. So that's the way you could log in into your TLauncher account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.